Begin by crushing 2 to 3 garlic cloves with the back of a knife. Then slice 1 small onion. Peel and chop 2 large sweet potatoes into 1/2-inch cubes. Reserve the garlic, onion, and sweet potato. You will be using them soon. Heat pressure cooker over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds and toast them until they darken slightly and produce an earthly aroma. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil to the pressure cooker. Once the oil is heated, add sliced onion. Stir frequently until soft and golden, about 5 minutes. Stir in the smashed garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 3 teaspoons of garam masala, and 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Add 2 14-ounce cans of diced tomatoes and 2 19-ounce cans of chickpeas that have been rinsed and drained. Also add 1/2 cup of water, the sweet potatoes, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Stir to combine. Close and lock the pressure cooker lid and bring to full pressure for 15 minutes. Quick release the pressure. Enjoy! Optionally, you can serve this curry over rice and garnish it with cilantro.